Before you choose any hosting, here's a quick Hostinger coupon code and a short Hostinger review to help you get the best web hosting deal right now. You can use the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen to unlock an extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months, which gets applied automatically during checkout. And here's something most people miss. Many links only provide around a 10% extra discount, but this one gives a full 20% extra discount along with 3 extra months, making it a much better Hostinger deal. If the price doesn't match your location, just click the flag icon at the top right and choose your country to update it instantly. In this Hostinger review, the biggest advantage is how beginner-friendly and fast it is. You get strong performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, and light-speed servers for improved speed. The Hostinger website builder helps you launch a professional site quickly, even without experience. It also includes a simple dashboard, one-click WordPress setup, and reliable uptime. With these features, Hostinger is often considered one of the best web hosting platforms for beginners and growing websites. And every plan includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it without risk. When you combine the extra 20% discount with 3 extra months, it brings the total cost down quite a bit. So if you're ready to start, just click the link below or scan the QR code to activate this offer. And as your needs grow, you can upgrade easily with options like Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger openclaw, and Hostinger N8N. To get the full deal, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now to claim your extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months.